Hi guys, today on Divas Can Cook we are taking fresh lemon and we are making these tart and peppery lemon pepper wings. If you are a lemon pepper lover, you're gonna love this one. Let's go. Okay, so the first thing we need are lemons, lots and lots of lemons. I love them so much. We're gonna start by zesting these lemons because we are gonna make our own lemon pepper seasoning because we can, okay? All right, go ahead and zest those lemons and your kitchen will be smelling so good. Oh my gosh, it smells so good with that lemon zest. Look at it, so fun. Okay, so I'm gonna take this lemon zest right here. I'm gonna place it in my pan. Any pan, you know, long as it's in like a single layer, we're gonna bake it at 170 for about 20 minutes, not long. When it comes out of the oven, it'll be like sawdust. It's so fun to play with. Just go ahead and take between your fingers and just kind of, you know, crush it up. I kind of leave mine a little bit in like larger flakes because I kind of like it when the flakes show up, the lemon zest kind of show up on the chicken. I think it's pretty when you can actually see that lemon zest. So yeah, that's good as it's gonna get. Now I'm gonna add some black pepper, fresh cracked black pepper here, okay? A little bit of salt, sea salt. I'm gonna add some onion powder and a little bit of garlic powder just because those two seasonings taste so good on lemon pepper wings. And I'm gonna stir this up and we have just made our own lemon pepper seasoning. You can, you know, add more pepper, add more salt if you want to. Very, very basic here, but it's gonna work, okay? There's my chicken. I've washed and dried it. So I'm going to add my olive oil and just stir it up a little bit, get it all coated and stuff. I'm gonna season the chicken in a little bit of that lemon pepper seasoning, not much. And you guys, I don't know what that clicking sound is in my videos. I keep it here. I think my mic is about to die because my last few videos has had that really weird clicking sound. I cannot figure out what in the world's going on. Anyway, there's some flour I'm gonna add in my little pan and some more lemon pepper seasoning, okay? I'm gonna give this a nice little whisk just to get it kind of combined. And you can also use like a paper bag if you want to toss the chicken in, but I'm just gonna use this little pan right here, dump that chicken right into that flour, and just use your hands to kind of coat it around, get everything lightly coated here. We're going for a very light coating of flour, okay? Just like that. I'm gonna place this on a plate and cover it up with some saran wrap. All right, nice and tight. You want to let this sit in the fridge for about 30 minutes or until you're ready to fry it, just enough to let that flour kind of stick to the skin really good, you know. Okay, so now we are ready to fry it. So I'm gonna add my peanut oil into a big old skillet. I love frying in peanut oil, it's just like perfect. I'm gonna add a onion slice and some garlic in there, just, you know, optional. You don't have to do it, I just like doing it. And when the oil is nice and hot, go ahead and place those little wings right into the oil, just like that. And it will not take these wings long to cook at all. Probably like, what, 10 to 12 minutes maybe? It did not take long at all before they were all nice and golden like this right here. What them golden wings at? Right here. Oh yes, nice and golden and crackly and crunchy. I actually hate frying, but you know, for wings, yeah, I'll do it for some wings. Okay, so when those wings are all golden and they're done, go ahead and place them on, give them a turn, of course, you know, midway through, and then go ahead and place them on a cooling rack. Let them drain a little bit, let all that oil just drip on off, okay? And immediately, as soon as you get these wings on a rack, you want to start making that lemon butter, okay? Immediately. I'm going to add my butter into my saucepan, stir it around. I should have used like a bigger pan, but you know how I am, honey. Go ahead and stir it around, and then we're going to add in some pepper and some salt and some garlic and all that good yummy stuff. And then right before I add that chicken in, I'm going to add that lemon juice. Do this part last because that lemon juice will start to clump up that butter. It's not pretty, so you want to do that as soon as you're getting ready to put those chicken wings into the butter mixture. So go ahead and dump those wings into the butter, toss them around, all right, just like that. That is perfect. And then place them back on the rack. And as soon as you place them on the rack, you want to coat them in that lemon pepper seasoning. That way it'll stick to them and it will just be lovely, lovely, lovely. And that is really it, you guys. Wasn't that easy? Like, that's like the easiest lemon pepper wings ever, and they are so good. Now right before I serve these, I always do like a little bit of fresh lemon juice on top, and of course more black pepper because yes, that fresh lemon juice, fresh black pepper, and a little bit of parsley to, like, you know, little pops of green, and we're done. That's it. Easy lemon pepper wings. And here is the inside, nice and juicy. The outside is like, the lemon juice has really soaked into the skin, so it's like crunchy and lemony and peppery. It's wonderful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these other videos later.